Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Real Geeks. This is a CRM software for real estate. As you can see, Real Geeks is an all-in-one real estate platform offering IDX websites, a CRM, and marketing tools designed to help agents and brokers generate and convert leads effectively. Some key features: IDX websites, CRM tools, lead generation, and AI assistant. Now here you can see the pricing plans. You have the lowest one, which is $300 per month for 2 users. Then we have the pros and cons. So as you can see here, comprehensive suite combining websites, CRM, and marketing tools, user-friendly interface with mobile app support, strong lead generation and automation capabilities. The cons: limited website customization options, no free trial available, setup fee of $250. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.